Let me ask you a real question. If someone controlled the first hour of your day, could they control your entire life? Think about it. The days you wake up late, immediately grab your phone and rush out the door feeling stressed. Those days always feel off, don't they? Unfocused, heavy, unproductive. But on those rare mornings when everything feels calm, clear, and intentional, those days just hit different. You feel powerful, like you're ahead of the game. Here's the problem that nobody talks about, especially for students. Most people don't struggle because they're lazy. They struggle because their mornings are chaotic. You wake up already tired, already feeling behind, and already anxious about everything you didn't finish yesterday. So what do? You try to fix your life at night. You binge watch more motivation videos, make more complicated plans, and feel more guilt. But the shift that changed everything for me was this. Your life doesn't reset at midnight. It resets the moment you wake up. Morning habits aren't about being perfect. They're about setting the tone for the rest of your day. Because whatever you do first, your brain assumes that's the standard. That's the baseline for your energy and focus. This is why your morning matters more than your motivation. The first habit that changed everything for me was incredibly simple. Before checking my phone, before talking to anyone, I started with water. You wake up dehydrated. Your brain is literally running on low battery. It's no wonder you feel foggy and slow. Just one full glass of water right after waking up. It's not fancy, it's not aesthetic, it's just consistent. Within minutes, your brain starts to wake up, your body feels lighter, and you send a powerful signal to yourself. We're starting now. Then comes movement. I'm not talking about intense workouts or hitting the gym. Just simple movement. Stretch your arms, walk around your room, do a few push-ups. Energy doesn't come from motivation. It comes from circulation. On days I skip this, I feel sluggish all day long. But on days I move, even for just a few minutes, my brain clicks on so much faster. Now, here's where most people mess up. They stay indoors. Dark room, artificial lights. Your body has no idea it's morning. Sunlight fixes that. Get 5 to 10 minutes of sunlight. Go outside, stand near a window, step onto a balcony, whatever it takes. Sunlight resets your internal clock, which leads to better focus, a better mood, and even better sleep later that night. This one simple habit can fix so many problems people think are purely mental. Next comes the part nobody likes to talk about, your mindset. This isn't about affirmations or fake positivity. It's about taking one quiet moment for yourself. No phone, no noise. Just ask yourself one question. What kind of person do I need to be today? Not what you need to do, but who you need to be. Do you need to be disciplined, calm, focused? That one question creates direction, and direction creates discipline. After that, fuel matters. Skipping breakfast is not discipline. It's self-sabotage. Your brain needs energy to focus. Eat something simple. Protein. Something light but real. When you fuel your body properly, your mind stops fighting you for resources. Now, this next part completely transformed my productivity. Plan your day before the day attacks you. Make one list with just 3 priorities. That's it. Not 10, not 20. Just 3 things that, if you get them done, would make today a win. When you start your day by deciding what truly matters, distractions lose their power over you. And finally, growth. Just 10 minutes. Read something. Watch something educational. Learn one small new idea. The first input of your day becomes your mental soundtrack. If you start with learning, your brain stays curious and proactive instead of anxious and reactive. Look, the truth is, perfect mornings don't exist. But intentional mornings do. You don't need to adopt all of these habits at once. You just need to be consistent with a few. Because your mornings don't just build your days, they build your identity. and your identity builds your future. So tonight, don't try to change your entire life. Just prepare for your morning. That's how real, lasting change begins. If this helped, consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching.